If you get easily confused between systolic and diastolic murmurs, you need to hear this. By simply remembering the mnemonic Mrs. Ass, it's easy to remember which valvular disease causes which heart murmur. Let me explain. The Mrs. stands for mitral regurgitation, which is a systolic murmur, and the AS stands for aortic stenosis, which is also a systolic murmur. And then with diastolic murmurs, just remember that it's the opposite to systolic, so it will be mitral stenosis and aortic regurg. And now you'll never ever be confused again with systolic and diastolic murmurs. I hope that helped.